Welcome technicians. Today we will look into the maintenance part of our Cobas e411 instrument. So important thing is whenever you start the instrument, so on the early morning, you cannot give sample directly and start running the instrument. So you need to do some maintenance. What are all those maintenance? One is the zipper pipette prime, the SR pipette prime, and the measuring cell preparation. These are all the three maintenance we should give before actually starting the instrument to do the analysis. Okay, so how do we do it? So first and the foremost thing, instrument has to be in the standby. It will be always be in the standby when you start it. So we go to the utility. Okay, so you go to utility, and in that you have to go to maintenance. So once you go to maintenance, so you have to give zipper pipette prime, SR pipette prime, and measuring cell preparation. So first we will give zipper pipette prime. So you select zipper pipette prime and then you put it as select. So sometimes it gives as 100 as the initial one, so you have to change it and make it 3. Okay, so once you do that, you give start. Okay, so you make it into 3. We click on it, that keyboard will open. You make it 3 and then you give start. It will hardly take 1 minute to complete the zipper pipette prime. So after that you select SR pipette prime and then you select and you give start. So same like initial one only. So you make it into 3 and then you start it. So here important thing is whenever you give this maintenance, you have to make sure that if, for example, in sample SR pipette prime, you have to check whether the water flow is there in the sample probe properly or not. Okay, and there will be the pistons will move up and down and make sure that the whole thing is moving properly. Okay, that one thing as you go along as a technicians you will learn. So you have to make sure that that is happening. Okay, so this will also get over within hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Then you go for measuring cell preparation, select measuring cell preparation, so and make it into 3 again, and then you start. So normally the company may recommend 5 times doing all zipper pipette prime, SR pipette prime, and measuring cell preparation. So we normally do only 3 times, and once you completed all these measuring cell preparation, maintenance will take little time, around 10-12 minutes it may take. I don't know exact time. So after that instrument will automatically come to standby. After that you can start working. So to put all the whole thing in the summary, so when the instrument is not yet switched on, make sure that pro cell, clean cell, 2 sets are kept and the lids are opened and the cover is properly closed. The syswash tank is properly put into the place with all the distilled water and syswash combination. The liquid waste you have removed and emptied, and you have kept it in the place. Solid waste tray also you have emptied everything and kept it in the place. Then 2 sets of normally there are 3 sets of cups and tips you can keep in the tray. We normally put only 2 sets. So 2 sets of cups and tips are kept in the place. Then you switch on the analyzer on the computer, then switch on the analyzer and then give the username and password. So once the instrument cross checks, it will come to standby. Now during that time, if you want, you can add the reagent. Even if you don't add the reagent, doesn't matter. Then you give the maintenance, that is zipper pipette prime, then SR pipette prime, and then you give measuring cell preparation. Once the measuring cell preparation is complete, instrument will come to standby. And now either you can if you are not added the reagent, now you can add, or if you have already added the reagent, now you can start doing the tests. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.